Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial in Design Spark Mechanical, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a bicycle chain link. Ultimately, you could create one and then you could create a few and make a bracelet out of it. Okay, we're going to go File, New, New Design. We'll make sure that's in inches. I'm going to minimize, then we're going to drag in a sample that I've got. Okay, we're going to go ahead and rotate this, so I'll click on it. We'll go to Move, grab the blue. We're just going to rotate it a little bit so it's straighter. Okay, right there is good. It's not really going to matter what size I create these. If it's a little bit bigger than an actual chain link, that's okay. This is just for showing you how to do one. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab that circle tool. We'll go 0.3. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. So Control C, Control V. We're going to go to Move, and then we're going to drag that one over. We'll just put one in there. Actually, 0.930. 0.930. Then you need to do Control V to put back the other one. All right. Excuse me. Now we're going to draw a second line in there. 0.74. Enter. Then we're going to draw another one, same size. Okay, now we're going to get our tangent arc there. You're going to go from here over to there. And then we're going to go from here over to there. Okay. So now we're going to get our trim away. Let's trim away those two pieces there. Now we're going to go ahead and draw this piece here. This is going to go on the end. So we need to go copy these. Get select. Let's go ahead and select both of those. Control C, Control V. We're going to move these up. And we're going to put them right in the center there, or the best that we can. Then Control V to put the other ones back. Okay, now we're going to get our circle tool. We're going to come from the center there, draw the smaller one out, 0.2. Now we're going to draw this one. Let's go 0.25. Okay, now we're going to get rid of the bigger one. Get rid of this one here. Okay, so now we have this shape here. Now I'm going to go ahead and create another circle. Go from here. Let's go 0.67. Okay, let's draw another one there. 0.67. We're going to get our tangent line. We're going to come from there straight over to there. Then we're going to do the same on the bottom. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get our trim away tool. We're going to trim away that piece and that piece. Then we're going to draw this stuff here. So we're going to put a line in the center. So we're going to go from that point to that point. We're going to create this as a mirror line. So we're going to go right click, set as mirror. So now we're going to go ahead and draw some of our lines in there, right to there. Now we're going to go from there. Let's go right to there. Select to click off, and now we're going to Control plus to pan in. And we're going to go ahead and get a tangent line again. We're going to come from the top there, straight over. You can overdraw if you need to. Select to click off. Now we're going to go ahead and get our line tool again. We're going to come from right there up to about there. Select to click off. We're going to get our 3-point arch. We're going to go from endpoint to endpoint. Okay. Now we're going to grab our trim away, get rid of that piece there, get rid of that piece there, and get rid of that piece there and that piece there. Okay, so this is going to be our little retention washer that holds on the piece. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and let's spin this around, or not spin, pan. I'm going to go ahead and trim away one more time right here. I'm going to put some rounded corners in here because these are kind of sharp. So let's pan over. Let's go ahead and get our rounded corner rounder. And click there, over to there. We're going to go 0.018 and do the same there. Do the same over here, and then the same right here. I'm going to do these as well. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now I'm going to put a rounded corner in here. 0.018, and then we'll put one here too. All right, let's go ahead and Control minus. Then we're going to pan up. We're going to use this one to actually extrude. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. So let's get our select tool. Let's drag a marquee around that. Control C, Control V. Let's grab our move tool. Let's move down. Hit Control V to put back the one that we took. Let's pan up. Let's go to pull. We're going to go ahead and spin this. We're going to add some thickness to this base. So we'll go, let's undo, let's click 0.1, type in 0.1. Now we're going to add some thickness to these. Let's pull these out. Let's go 1.3. Okay. So let's pan down. Let's go ahead and pull. Uh-oh. Not sure what happened to my pieces. Let's go Control minus. They were there. Okay, they're there. Okay, let's add some thickness to this. This doesn't have to be as thick. So we'll go ahead and pull that. Let's click off first. Undo. Click off. Let's grab that. Let's pull to, I guess we can go 0.1. That's fine. Let's go ahead and get rid of these. So we'll hold down Control, get both of those, hit delete. And then we're going to add a little bit of thickness to this. Let's pull. Let's go 0.05. Okay, let's spin and see what we got. Okay, we have a piece that goes there, a piece that goes on the retaining end, and now we have to cut our notches in this. So let me see how I want to do this. Control plus, going to actually, okay, I'm going to get these, both of these. And then I'm going to copy, Control C, Control V. And then I'm going to move these over a little bit. Actually, I'll move these down right here to here, 0.13. Okay, now we're going to pull. We're going to pull up. Let's see, undo. I made that gasket up there 0.05, so we're going to go 0.05 and make that notch the same. Okay, now we're going to make these smaller. Let's pull. Let's pan down. Let's do one at a time. Let's grab that. We have to select cut, so we'll come over here and cut. Let's go to 0.04. Select that, hit cut. .04. Okay. So now I'm going to put a little bit of a fillet on these. 0.02. We'll do the same on this. 0.02. Then I'm going to do a fillet on that whole thing there. 0.01. Do the same on the outside. 0.01. And do the same with this one. 0.01. Okay, let's pan down. This I want to keep relatively flat. Okay, so this is going to be our chain link. So we'll go ahead and click that, delete. What I need to do is make sure, okay, let's go to top view. We have to make sure that that space matches this notch, and that space, it's going to be able to bend and go to the other one. It should be able to because it's split right here. But let's go ahead and get our dimensions. We're going to go here. I got a better idea. Let's pan up or zoom in. Let's pan. Get rid of that line that just created there. I'm going to make sure that this is okay. This is 0.250. Okay, so let's delete. Let's pan up. Let's go to pull. Let's click that. Let's see, I need it to be 0.250, so we'll go ahead and put a line and actually undo that. Let's go to top view. Let's go to 3D mode. Let's go to the measure. That's 0.3. Okay, that one's 0.3. So we're going to go ahead and spin this. Let's click on that notch. Okay, to split it. Let's spin this. Control minus. Go to the top view. And let's check to see, that should be 0.250 in there. So we're going to go, it's 0.220. So there's a little bit of a difference somewhere right in the middle there, so I think that would be good. Okay, that should be fine. So to check to make sure it is fine, we're going to move it. Going to grab the green, actually undo. Let's double click. Grab that red, let's pull that down. So that's going to fit in there, and then that one's going to open up, go around the other one. Okay, that should be good. All right, let's go to, let's spin this, take a look. Get rid of this plane there, we don't need it. Okay, that's going to be our chain link. Go ahead and move that over, move that down. It's going to fit on there like this. It's going to go right to there, and then that piece is going to, that top piece is going to come on and act as a gasket to keep it from coming off. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Go back to top view. Got your three pieces. You have your main chain sprocket. You have the piece that goes here, and then you have this piece that goes in there and holds everything together. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and got something useful out of it. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoy the content. Okay, thank you for watching.